Hello, how do I calculate taxes when reinvesting profits? You calculate taxes the same way you will calculate it if you are not reinvesting the profits. The simplest way you can do that is just to pull your 1040 and look for your gross income on it, and you search on IRS website, income tax rates, and you open it. You will compare your taxable, I like to say your gross income from your 1040, and you choose the tax filer that you choose for your taxes. If you file jointly, you click on that. If you are single, you choose the single, and you look for your income, where the tax bracket that your income is falling within. And for instance, between 96,941, like if your income is higher than 96,941, between this equal or more and less than 206,700, if your income is between this bracket here, is either 96,951 or more, or less or equal to 206,700. This is the tax bracket, the marginal tax bracket. I think it's the marginal, it's not the nominal, the marginal tax bracket. And you just take that tax bracket, and for the year, you use that to calculate your profits, to apply on your profit that you earn during the quarter, whether you reinvest those profits or not, including the dividend. Even those dividends are reinvested, you determine by that rate, and you made that estimated tax for IRS, and you will search the same thing as well for your states to find the rate to apply for your states as well, and so that you can pay your estimated tax for your states if your state collects income tax. And for your 1040, if you are trying to find what income there for the previous income tax return that you file, which income to use, you can use the highest income just to play safe, and that should be line is before standard deduction is applied to it, so it will be your total income. You can use your total income or your adjusted gross income, whichever of the two, line 9 and line 11A, is higher. You can use that. That way you are using the highest income from the previous tax return, estimating that during the year your swing trading could increase your, this year income. You can use the highest of line 9 or line 11A from your 1040 that you file this year, and to determine your tax rates correspond to find the tax bracket, the income tax bracket you are within, and to find the rate. And then as you track or you pull your return from your brokerage account, or as you track your trades, how much you purchased, how much you sold, the profit from there for the quarter, and the dividend you earn while you have those stocks, you apply that rate to it, and you pay. You made the estimated tax payments by their due dates. So today, let's analyze EVRG as of August 23, 2026. So whether you are, whether you are reinvesting your profits or not, you are going to pay those estimated taxes on them. if you are swing trading in a taxable brokerage account. So today we are going to analyze EVRG, and when we are looking at it on a maximum monthly chart, is kind of close to all-time highest price than it is close to the valley line, so where we would like to buy. So therefore it's not in the buying zone for us just yet. It seems to be a new company though, like I'm seeing all the way to 2009, but and the line here is kind of oblique, but yeah, it's more close to our selling zone than it is close to our buying zone. So thank you so much for watching. I'm Afiavi, and on our channel we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading could allow you to create another stream of income. Just start slowly, just start small or slowly, and surely you'll get there. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I just swing trade in my husband and I joint account, and I like to share what is working for us, what is not working, what I'm learning with you, so that if you find some tips useful, you can customize them to fit your personality type, your risk tolerance, and use them in your own financial success journey. Will you please proceed with caution? For more videos in this series, will you please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step Using Long Uptrend Lines in the description of this video. And we have over 200 videos in this playlist. And this video is brought to you by our online store, Liberman.com. If you are looking for tote bags or cloth napkins, will you please check our online store, Liberman.com. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.